8-year-old Jack has autism, and when he had to transfer to a different special needs school site, anxiety led him to self-harm. The only bed available to treat him was 70 miles away. Jack didn't want to be alone there, but his mum Kerry had to leave him.
They had to obviously hold Jack, and I had to walk away, which was I wouldn't like any parent to go through that. It was horrific. It really was horrific. You put a lot of trust in a lot of people who were going to be there that you hope that are going to help your little boy more than anything. And when that's broken and it's not there, you feel very vulnerable.
As part of its plans to change this situation, the government is proposing a staff member in every school responsible for mental health, new teams that link schools to NHS mental health services, and a 4-week waiting time target for treatment. But ministers plan to take another 5 years to roll this out across only a quarter of England, a timescale MPs today branded as failing a generation, as it will provide no help to the majority of children who desperately need it.
We get calls every day from parents whose children are struggling to cope right now, who want to see services improved much more urgently than that. So we'd like to see more urgency. We'd also like to see long-term increased funding for specialist mental health services so that all children and young people who are struggling can get the help they need.
The government rejects the suggestion its plans lack ambition, saying £300 million of extra money and a hugely expanded workforce will transform mental health services for children.
Oh, wow.
Jack's anxiety has improved since he was taken into hospital, but Kerry says with so many other children at risk, the need for better support is urgent.
When I set up the page for Justice for Jack, I was inundated with families and parents whose children had took their own lives. It's not just Jack, there's thousands.
And with 1 in 10 children living with some form of mental health condition, today's report urges ministers to rethink and make a much bigger commitment to helping them. Catherine Jones, 5 News.